Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video we will see how customer can see shipping price before approving any quote. Let's see in admin when a quotation is placed. Admin has two options, first, flat shipping price, second, depending on weight. If admin is giving flat shipping price, in such case customers are aware about shipping price. But if admin is giving weight-based shipping, in such case customer can see shipping price only after approving quote, so it's confusing for customer. So we have enhanced our system, and now customer can see shipping price before approving quote. After clicking on Review or Update Quotation button under My Quotes, they will see a pop-up of estimated shipping price. Once customer will select shipping country and zip code, all available shipping type will be visible with shipping price. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.